make an aesthetic Polaroid wall.
And on we'll go.
Find out how to make this aesthetic Polaroid wall, then stay till the end of the video and make sure you subscribe down below and give it a big thumbs up, because that would mean the world to me. So let's get right back to the video again. First thing you want to do is search up Polaroid Frame free download, and this will come up with different frames, which any of one you can use to your likings. So the next step is go onto this free website called Canva. So this is for designs, and you have to put in your own dimension, which is 5.25 inches times by 6.35 inches. This is a really important dimension because if you don't use this, you won't get the same Polaroid effect. Next, you pretty much just upload the Polaroid frame and the picture that you want to use into it. You can change the color of the Polaroid frame, but I'm just going to stick with white. And this is the finished of all the Polaroids, and you just press download. And there you have your Polaroids. After downloading the Polaroids, you then put it onto PowerPoint or Word or any blank surfaces, and you pretty much just organize it on how you want it, and then therefore you can print it afterwards. A key tip that I would give you guys is to outline the Polaroids in black, so then when you're cutting it later on after you print it, it'll be a lot easier. So after you have inserted all your Polaroids, then you can start printing. Just printed the Polaroids and it looks fabulous. So after you've just printed it off, it's time to get cutting. Cutting paper ASMR. Feel free to add any key dates or words and phrases referring to the Polaroid. Tape the Polaroid with sellotape to get the glossy effect. Well, but if you put sellotape, it's indestructible.
2,000 years later.
After a really long time of sticking with sellotape, we are finally finished, and now it's to put up the aesthetic mirror Polaroid wall. So let's get to it! In double-sided sellotape, tape the back of your mirror. Stick the mirror on the wall. So next you need some blue tack. Using the blue tack, stick some in each corner of the Polaroid. Start sticking it around your mirror. This is the final look. Thank you for tuning in till the end, and I love the results and I hope you guys like it too. So I'll see you guys next week. Toodaloo!